In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize downloaded transactions in QuickBooks Online. Managing your financial information efficiently is crucial for any business, and QuickBooks makes this process straightforward once you've got the hang of it. To get started, the first thing you need is your bank transactions connected to QuickBooks, or have them downloaded and uploaded manually into the system. If you haven't connected your bank account yet, don't worry. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it. To begin, navigate over to the left-hand panel on your QuickBooks Online interface and click on the Transactions tab. This is your primary workspace for handling all transaction-related activities. You'll then see a submenu where you should select the Bank Transactions tab. At this point, you're at the right place to link your bank account or upload your bank file if that's more suitable for you. To link your bank account directly, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the Link Account option. Clicking here will guide you through the steps to connect your bank account securely to QuickBooks. Follow the prompts to enter your banking details, and QuickBooks will seamlessly sync your transactions. If you prefer to upload files manually, you can do that too. Right next to the Link Account button is an option labeled Upload File. Click there to choose the file that contains your downloaded transactions. Make sure your file is in a supported format such as CSV, and follow the guided steps to import your data into QuickBooks. Once you've linked your account or uploaded your file, your transactions will appear in the Bank Transactions tab. Each one of these entries represents a transaction that you can now categorize, helping you keep your financials organized and easy to understand. Let's move on to categorizing these transactions. Click on any transaction that you want to work with. You'll notice an Account drop-down menu. This is where you'll set the category that best describes the transaction for accurate bookkeeping. From the drop-down, you can select a category from the existing list, or if none fit perfectly, you have the option to create a new category that better suits your needs. This flexibility allows you to tailor QuickBooks to fit your specific financial tracking objectives. After you've chosen the appropriate category, simply click Add at the bottom right of the transaction detail window. This action confirms your choice, and you'll now see the transaction move over to the Categorize section within the Bank Transactions area. And that's all there is to it. Categorizing transactions in QuickBooks Online is a powerful way to keep your financial picture clear and ensure your books are current and accurate. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the management of your business finances in QuickBooks.